Hi guys, Vineet here. So let's write a Java program to find whether a given string is a palindrome or not. So let's get started. So here we will be passing parameter as string. So the logic which we're going to use in this program, let's discuss that first. So B, C, B, A. Let's say if we have string as A, B, C, B, A, it's a valid palindrome. So we'll be using here two pointers. First pointer will point to first character of this string expression, and the second pointer will point to last character of this string. So we will be comparing both pointer character to each other. If it is true, if it is equal, then we will be increasing and decreasing our pointer. So you can see left pointer character is equal to right pointer character. So both are holding A. So we will be increasing our left pointer by 1 and decreasing our right pointer by 1. So again, let's compare both pointer character. So both pointer character is pointing to B, so it's equal. So let's increase our left pointer by 1 and decrease our right pointer by 1. So now both pointer is pointing to same character. So, and if we compare this character to each other, so it's true. And so now both pointer is same position, so we'll not be increasing and decreasing, because we will be only moving up to half of the string expression. So when both pointer point to same character or reach to half of the string expression, so we will be stop our pointer moving there itself. So this is the pointer logic which we're going to use to solve this problem. So let's write a logic for this program. So we'll be iterating here int index 0, and index should always less than the length of this string expression, and on each iteration index should increase by 1. So here we will be using expression dot caret current index should not equal expression dot caret. Now here this expression is pointing to first character of string expression, because it depend upon index value. So it will be starting from 0, so it will always start from, this will be a left pointer, but this pointer should be a right pointer. So to move our pointer at the last character, we'll be using here expression dot length. So this length will move our pointer to last character of the string expression, and again we'll use here this index to avoid exception here. And now if this expression first pointer character, if it is not equal to the last pointer character, in that case we return false dot false. And if we done with iteration of each character and this condition is not executed and we can say whatever character is holding by this expression is a valid, and we can return here true. So, and let's not pass here string, this long length. Let's use here one size variable and this. So instead of, oh, we forgot to iterate up to half of this string expression. Right now this logic is saying that I'll be iterating up to from 0 to last index of string expression. So we should not iterate up to last index, we should iterate only up to half of the length of string expression. So here it should be size minus index. Oh, it's already there, sorry. So we have done with logic. Now let's write main method. So let's call this is palindrome method. Let's pass one message here. That message will be is palindrome. So let's pass here is palindrome method, and we'll be passing input string as a b c b a. So this is a valid input, it should return true. Is palindrome true? So let's make this input as invalid, so that input will not be a palindrome. So in this case we are expecting to return as false. Is palindrome false? So what if we pass only single character? So this is also a palindrome. So let's test whether we are getting true or not. It's true. So this is working fine, guys, and we have done with this video. Stay tuned for another videos. Thank you so much.